Welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Wednesday, August 21st, 2024. Hope you're having a great day. Hope it's been a great trading day. Keep in mind that everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something you like, anything, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. All right, so I want to start off with the economic reports. Let's see, for mañana, which is the 21st, 10:30 a.m. So we've got a market open report, crude inventories. So there are trades you can do right around that. Brandon Wendell is a coach here at Wealth Builders. He runs our E-mini think tank, which is a live day trading room for futures. He's got a trade that he does each week for crude and one that he does for gas on their announcements. Really high probability setups. So there are some things you can do around crude, but if you're trading oil tomorrow, know that this is coming out about 10:30. 2 o'clock tomorrow is the FOMC minutes. I don't know if we'll expect to see much from there, but I think you might see some lighter volume because of it throughout the course of the day. All right, so with that being said, let's bring this in. All right, unscrunch. Okay, so today on the S&P 500, we stretched up higher, right? Did we get to the next swing high there? We might have. The high on this day, open high 52 50, so let's just do 22.49, and the high today was 20.51. So we didn't quite get up to this previous high back here. Right, we just got to keep our eye on that level. Right, we got really close. We're about $2 away from it, but not surprising to see a little bit of a pullback. Certainly not concerned with this. True bullish bias right now on the S&P. Right, so we've got 3 candidates up there today. The very first one is MasterCard. Let's see. So there's the entire fib on MasterCard. And we're not getting a lot of good switchbacks set up today, meaning bidirectional. So we're going to look for a singular direction. Now, we do have some room for this one to move to the downside, which is down to the 8 moving average. It's just not a whole lot. I'd prefer the upside move. So we're going to go and grab this puppy. And let's draw it out. I'd like to see a pullback, a bounce. And if we can get our bounce, we're going to take the trade after the bounce, right? And our resistance is at 474. My target's going to be somewhere around 471, 472, somewhere around there. And the stop just on the other side of that 467.37. Whatever it is that fits your risk, right? So that's number one. Number two is ODFL. We can see the entire fib there. So same scenario. We don't have a lot of room to the downside here. We do need to add a 200 level in there. So let's do that. Let's change it over to 200. Let's change this over to this red color that I use and dash dot. All right, so there's our 200 level. So I need this tomorrow to make a move up first. Come back and test that 200 and bounce. 207.37 is resistance. Right about 206, 205.5, 205. Somewhere in there is going to be a target and you stop just on the other side. So far, the first two are bullish. Last one today is SHW. Also going to be a bullish setup. First thing is, let's see the entire fib. All right, it's a good fib. Getting a little bit old, but it's still a good fib. Let's see, let's scrunch down. Okay, so once again, we're only looking at bullish move here today on SHW. So I need to move up off the 355 to retest in the bounce. 364.5 is resistance. So right about 362.5. Give or take is the target. It could be a little bit lower. And your stop is just below that 355 level. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You have a great... Oh, I didn't show you the trading document. Let's get rid of the lines on here first. So from our last trades from last week, we had 2 of the last 3 which were traded. Microsoft was a break even. We got in at 418.5, got out at 418.5. It's a break even trade. SPXL, we made a whole whopping $18. Right, and this is all indicative of this large directional move we had in the S&P 500. We're not getting pullbacks, and we need pullbacks to take these trades. So there's going to be times like this that you get these runs, and there really is no trade to take. So overall, we've got 16 winning trades, 6 that went against us, 2 break evens. 227.19 is the average P&L. 54, 52, 44 is the total P&L. Now, there you have it. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you on our next update. Bye for now.